Hi, I just want to go through and do a couple of exercises which you may not have been able to do in the class on Monday. So this is exercise 7, and I'm just going to start this. Whoops, just start this. And you can see I've got Guy here, and if I press the forward button, he walks forward. If I press the reverse button, he walks in reverse. And if I press the stop button, he stops. And I'm particularly looking at this because of your homework that you need to complete for Monday, because in knowing how to do this, it will help you to complete the exercise that you need to do for Monday. So let's go and have a look at how we can program this in ActionScript. So this is the script. Yeah, this is our script that I've given you, and I've set it up so there's the stage is looking for the enter frame event, and the code is going to go here, and all those buttons, stop, forward and reverse, they're all been set up to listen for the mouse click, and the code for the particular button is going to go into one of these functions here. So at the top here, then, we've got create variables. So we're going to need a variable to do this, and hopefully you're happy creating a variable. But creating a variable looks like this: var, then the name of the variable, let's say call it speed, and we need to say colon here, and then tell it what sort of value this variable is referring to. It's referring to a number, so I'm just going to write it like that. Note it's with a capital M, so colon capital N number, and then I'm going to give it an initial value of 0. So I've set this variable up, and it's got a value of 0. So now inside the onEnter function, I want Guy to use this value so that he walks. So let's say here Guy dot x plus equals speed, like this. If I test the movie at this point, nothing happens, and the reason nothing's happening is that we're saying to Guy, add to his x value the value in speed. This value in speed is 0, so adding 0 to something obviously doesn't make it move. So that's what we need to do with our other buttons. We need to change the value of speed. So the stop button, when we click the stop button, we want to change speed to, so I'm going to come here, so this is the stop button's function, and I'm going to change speed equal to 0, because when we click the stop button, we want him to stop, so the speed will be 0. In the forward button, I'm going to say speed is equal to, for instance, say 6. And in the reverse button, I'm going to give speed a value of -6. So depending on which button I change, which I click, then it will change the value of speed. And this onEnter frame is constantly looking at speed and adding that value to Guy's x value. So let's just test this now. So it's not moving. So if I click forward, and by clicking forward, we've changed the value of speed to 6, and that's why he moves. I'll click reverse. So the value of speed now is -6, so that's why he's going backwards. So forward again, the value of speed is 6, and then I'm going to click stop. So the value of speed is 0. So being able to change the value here of speed, we've created a variable called speed, and we're able to change it whenever we want to, and Guy is always adding the value of speed to its x value, and that's how easy it is to just do this example here. I hope that was clear. Thank you.